History of pumpkin seeds. Hello and welcome to this video on the history of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a delicious and nutritious snack that have been enjoyed for thousands of years. In this video, we'll explore the origins of pumpkin seeds, how they were used throughout history, and the health benefits they offer. During the 16th century, European explorers brought pumpkin seeds back to Europe, where they quickly gained popularity as a snack food. In addition to their nutritional value, pumpkin seeds were also believed to have medicinal properties and were used to treat a variety of ailments. They were often recommended as a natural remedy for intestinal worms, bladder problems, and even depression. In the United States, Native American tribes were known to cultivate and consume pumpkin seeds long before the arrival of European settlers. They used every part of the pumpkin, including the seeds, for food, medicine, and even as a material for weaving baskets. The seeds were often roasted and used as a food source during the winter months when other crops were scarce. Pumpkin seeds have also played an important role in cultural and religious practices. In some Native American tribes, pumpkin seeds were used in healing ceremonies and as a symbol of fertility. In Mexico, pumpkin seeds are a traditional food for the Day of the Dead celebration, where they are used to decorate altars and make sweet treats. They are a popular snack food, often roasted and seasoned with spices, and are also used in a variety of recipes, including salads, soups, and baked goods. Pumpkin seed oil is also valued for its nutritional and health benefits, and is used in cooking, as well as in cosmetics and skincare products. They also contain a variety of important vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, zinc, and potassium. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy bones, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting immune function. Is it okay to eat pumpkin seeds every day? Yes, it is generally safe to eat pumpkin seeds every day as part of a balanced diet. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritious and healthy snack that can provide a range of health benefits, including supporting heart health, immune function, digestion, and sleep, while reducing inflammation and promoting prostate health in men. However, it's important to consume pumpkin seeds in moderation and consider their calorie content. Pumpkin seeds are relatively high in calories, with around 150 to 160 calories per ounce, so consuming large amounts of them without accounting for their calorie content can contribute to weight gain. Additionally, some people may be allergic to pumpkin seeds, so it's important to be mindful of any potential allergies or negative effects. If you experience any symptoms such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming pumpkin seeds, you should stop eating them and seek medical attention. Overall, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet in moderation can be a healthy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall health. Does pumpkin seed oil really work for hair? Pumpkin seed oil is believed to be beneficial for hair health and may help improve the appearance and condition of hair. Here are some of the ways in which pumpkin seed oil may work for hair. Promotes hair growth. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for hair growth, including vitamin E, zinc, and beta-carotene. These nutrients help nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Strengthens hair. Pumpkin seed oil contains fatty acids and antioxidants that help strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and improve overall hair health. Moisturizes hair. Pumpkin seed oil is also a natural moisturizer, helping to hydrate dry, brittle hair and prevent split ends. Reduces dandruff. The anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties of pumpkin seed oil may help reduce dandruff and promote a healthy scalp. While there is limited scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of pumpkin seed oil for hair, some studies have suggested that it may help improve hair thickness and growth in people with androgenetic alopecia, a common form of hair loss. Overall, incorporating pumpkin seed oil into your hair care routine may help improve the appearance and condition of your hair. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional or hair care expert before trying any new hair care products or treatments. Are pumpkin seeds good for sperm? Yes, pumpkin seeds may be good for sperm health in men. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is an essential mineral that is important for male reproductive health. Zinc plays a crucial role in sperm production and maturation, and a deficiency in zinc can lead to a decrease in sperm count and motility. Studies have shown that consuming foods rich in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds, can help improve sperm quality and increase fertility in men. In addition to zinc, pumpkin seeds are also high in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help support overall reproductive health. It's important to note that while pumpkin seeds can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet for men, they should not be relied on as a sole treatment for fertility issues. If you are experiencing fertility problems, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Pumpkin seeds are a nutrient-dense food that offer a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of pumpkin seeds. Rich in nutrients, pumpkin seeds are a good source of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and important minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and potassium. They also contain antioxidants, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Promote heart health. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, which is important for maintaining a healthy heart. Studies have shown that magnesium can help regulate blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Support immune function. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is important for immune function. Zinc plays a role in the development and function of immune cells, and a deficiency in zinc can lead to an increased risk of infections. Aid in digestion. Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Improve sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that is important for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and sleep. Studies have shown that pumpkin seed oil may help improve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a common condition in older men. While pumpkin seeds offer numerous health benefits, there are some potential disadvantages to consider. High in calories. Pumpkin seeds are relatively high in calories, with around 150 to 160 calories per ounce. Consuming large amounts of pumpkin seeds without accounting for their calorie content can contribute to weight gain. Phytates. Pumpkin seeds contain phytates, which can interfere with the absorption of certain minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. This can be a concern for individuals who rely heavily on pumpkin seeds as a dietary source of these minerals. Processing and additives. Some commercially sold pumpkin seeds may contain added salt or oils, which can increase their calorie and sodium content. Additionally, roasted or flavored pumpkin seeds may be processed with added sugars or artificial flavorings. Overall, pumpkin seeds can be a nutritious and healthy addition to your diet, but like with any food, it is important to consume them in moderation and be mindful of any potential allergies or negative effects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and click on the like button.